Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to create miniature effect in Wondershare Filmora 12. First, I am selecting footage from stock media. I have downloaded something, so I'm just adding that one in this project. Basically, this effect used with drone shots or sky shots. And this one is I am using. I will apply this footage 2 times in layer 1 and layer 2. Also, hide to second layer. Now I'll apply effect at video layer 1. Click and type blur, search it. There is many options for the blur effect, but I am using this one. Just drag and drop or double click to apply at selected footage. This is good for me. Blur effect. You can make changes in properties, but in this case I'll use the default. Now we have to make layer 2 visible. In this footage we will apply our second effect. Double click. Mask tab. Select pen tool to draw mask. Let's draw mask. All right. I want to add one more mask here. So, we have to click Add Mask button. This will enable new mask properties. Let's draw our second mask. See, one thing you will notice, there is hard edges is visible, so we have to remove or make them soft edges. First, enable our mask 1. In properties, this is the option blur strength. I'm going to add blur strength around 40% in. Little bit opacity. Same way we will do with mask 2. Final result. Now, you can watch there is no hard edges is visible. Now it's looking perfect for me. There are some part of this video is focus and some out of focus. I make miniature effect. This is so for now. I hope you like it. And if you like it, please thumbs up. Thank you.